Hello, welcome to another video on your YouTube channel, Tech Talk with Niket. In this video, we're going to look at joins. Whenever you want to work on data and you want to get information from two different tables on the basis of one or more common column, over there you use joins. Let's look at this by using an example. Over here, I've created two tables. One of them is current employees, which talks about employee name, ID, and designation. And there is another table with name all employee details. It contains columns like employee name, employee ID, and city. Now, if I give you a problem statement, which software engineer belongs to New York? In that case, you will require both the tables to pull the information. There are more such conditions where you might want information from both the tables. Like, I want to get the information of all the employees, the current employees, along with their city. For that, you will require both the tables. So to do this activity, you need to have joins between the two tables. And in this condition, we have employee ID as our joining key. I'm using employee ID because that is a unique value. A name can repeat, or you can have different people with same name, but employee ID is something which is unique between the two tables. Let's see how different joins will work. Over here, I'm using Tableau, and I'll create join between these two tables. I'll simply drag it and drop one of the tables. I'm going to double click and open it. And you can see a snapshot over here. Now, we have current employee. And what if I want to know the city name of all the current employees? So what I'll do, I'll drag and bring up this table over here. And this will create an inner join. You see this icon over here? That's an inner join. That means on the basis of employee ID, whatever is common between the two tables, I will repeat, on the basis of employee ID, whatever is common between the two tables, you're going to get that as an output. If I click over here, you can see it's an inner join on the basis of employee ID. That's an inner join for you. What if I want to get all the information from current employee and the relevant matching information from all employee details? Since my current employee table is on the left hand side and I want that table completely, I'll use a left join. I'll click over here and my output will be something like this. Now you might be wondering that there is no change in the output over here. That is because all our current employees, they will be part of my all employee details table. That's why. What if I want to get the designation of all employee details table employees? For that, I'll go with a right join where I'll get all the information from right hand side table, which is all employee details, and the relevant matching information from current employee. When I click over here, that's the right join for you. And you can see with these circles, the idea of right join, left join, inner join, and also full outer. Now, an interesting thing happens over here. You'll find that for employee ID 1, 2, 3, and 4, we have the relevant values. But for employee ID like 5 and 6, as there is no value in our current employee table, it will return null. That will always happen whenever you have information where you don't have a matching value in the other table. That's the right join, where you have all the information from the right table and matching value from the left table. And the last one is full outer, where you have information from both the tables. The matching rows will fall in one single row, and the non-matching one will have nulls. Something like this, where all the matching values have matching values from both the tables, and for the non-matching one, you have null where you don't have any value. So like this, we have our inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. These are some commonly used joins that we use to perform data analysis. I hope you have learned something from this video. Till then, stay safe and happy learning.